Alright, hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use these three mockups. Okay, now if you can use these three mockups, chances are you can use any mockup, because I'm going to show you the basic concepts that you'll be using to create them. Okay, I also got this message from my Telegram handle and I feel like I should do it for you guys. Alright, so let's step into Photoshop. Let me show you how you're going to do it. Alright, so now first, this is a book or a paperback book mockup. Alright, I'm going to leave everything in the description for you. Okay, so let's just open it with Photoshop now, and then we're going to see a couple of things. Okay, so you can see when you open a book like this, you're going to have all these tabs. You can see we have book spine 1, book 2. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically we have 1, 2, 3, you know, we have up to book 4. You understand me? And then this book comes with the spine. This one comes with the cover. You understand me? This one comes with the spine. This one comes with the cover. You get it? This one comes with the spine. This one comes with the cover. This one comes with the spine. This one comes with the cover. So you see where we are going. Okay, now you can also mute or hide the background. Also as a shadow as well. All these tabs are there. You understand me? So basically what we are going to correct is the spine and then the cover. We're going to use just these two as an example. So I'm going to double click the cover. You can see the thumbnail here. I'm going to double click it, and then I can go and pick any artwork that I feel like I should put there. Okay, and then once I feel like the artwork is good, now guys, this is what you are going to do. You are going to click on Ctrl S to save it. You understand me? And then it saves in there. You can close it now. You can see it's over here now. Then you can go to the spine as well. And then the spine, you can put any color there, or you can put anything there, or whatever artwork you have done, you can put that artwork over there. When you are done, click on Ctrl S to save it, and then now you can close it. Okay, now we can do the same thing to what? Spine 2, and then what? Book 2. We can do the same thing to it. You can see it's showing the spine 2, and then what? Book 2. You can see it's showing the spine 2, and then what? Book 2. So you get how it is. It just automatically worked on all of them. Okay, and so this is the way of doing it. Now you can come here to the background here. You can see the background here, and come and create your own what do I mean, let's give it gradient overlay, and then let's go there. Let's see, we can change it to maybe red, okay, or maybe yellow, okay, or maybe can we come and pick the colors in there. Let's pick orange. I don't want this video to be very long. Okay, you can leave it something like this. You understand me? Okay, so it depends on you how you want to do it. Give it any color you want. Okay, so that is how you use the book mockup. Alright, when you're done, guys, you save it. I'm going to show you how to save for your social media handles. I'm going to show you that very soon. Now let's go to the CD as well. Now the CD, clearly you can see we have the preview here as well. Let's double click it, the mockup. When we click on the mockup, you're going to have maybe sometimes you do have this overlay over there. You can delete it. We don't need it. It depends on the mockup that you download, but then you can see we have the mockup here, we have the mockup here, and we have the adjustments here. Okay, we have the base here, we have this one over here. Okay, so when we click on the adjustments, we can see there are various color codes and stuff that they used. When we click on the base, we can see this is how it was created, and then the mockup is over here. All right, this is how it was created. Okay, this is how everything was created. That is beautiful. And then we also have the background that we can change if we want to. Now you can see these mockups, mockup 1 and the mockup 2. So one of these is mockup 1 and one of these is also mockup 2, 1 and 2. So let's find out which one is which. Let's click on mockup 1, and then let's go and then let's just pick our artwork still, right? And then let's try and then resize it. Okay, great. And then Ctrl S to save it. Once it's done saving, you can close it. So you can see this is mockup 1. And it does not affect mockup 2. So now we can double click on mockup 2. and then go and do what, and then bring our mockup to our artwork over there as well. You get me? All right, and then Control S to save it. Okay, now if you're wondering how I'm able to transform it, I'm using Control T to be able to have this, and then you hold Shift and then you move it like that. Okay, enter. Control S to save it, and then we can now close it. Now you can see it also affects it over here. You see, this is beautiful, and then you can come to the background over here. Okay, and then come and give it a color. How do you go? You see this thing over here, you go there, and then you can go and look for gradient map. I like to use gradient map a lot, and then you can alter the colors over there. You can go over here and then give it red. You can go there and give it this color. You can give it a a yellowish color. You can feel free, hit it with your best shot. Do whatever you feel like is better for you. Okay, so you can do everything that you need over there, and then when you have done, you save it as well, and then you have a very good artwork that you can use. I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to show you how to save for social media. It's really important if you want the same quality you design to show forth in your social media handles. Like sometimes the social media handles quite reduce the quality. Okay, so this is a t-shirt mockup. Okay, this is a t-shirt mockup, and I'm going to show you which one I'm going to use. Now this is the displacement. We are not going to use these. Okay, this is the back of the t-shirt, and then this is the front of the t-shirt. Okay, so you can see from the color, you can see this is the front, and then you can see this is the back. Okay, now if the client wants the design at the front, definitely forget about the back. Just go to the front and then do your artwork there. If the client wants both the design on the front and the back, then you have a design for the back and then you have a design for the front. Okay, now most often my clients want the design on the front, and so I'm just going to use the front as an example. Let me close this one, the front as an example. Okay, now when you look through the layers, you can see we have your design here. You can see that, right? Your design here. Okay, so now that one is what you're going to click. All right, so double click that one. Now this is the design. Now what you can do is now you can now go and bring in your artwork. Okay, whatever artwork I'm going to use this as an example for today. You can draw in your artwork over there, and then you can resize it. Hold Shift. Okay, hold Shift, and then you can resize it the way you want to. All right. Okay, so once you are done, you can position it where you want it to be. Okay, and then once you are done, guys, remember there is already an artwork there before you came, so you have to either make it invisible or you can also delete it. You understand me? So I just deleted it with the delete key, and then I can save it now. Control S to save it. All right, now don't worry about this. It's just nothing. Just click on OK. When we go back to our artwork, we can see it showed over there, but it did not show at the place we want it to be. So what we got to do, we got to go back and then drag it all the way up until we are satisfied with what we are looking for. Control S. Now you can see it's still, don't worry, just close it. Let's go back and then let's see. You can see now it shows where we want it to be now. Now we can close this. Okay, so now this is what I'm going to send to the client. But guys, remember you can also work on the color code. When I'm sending this to a client, I definitely know we have blue and we have red and we have orange. I need to use colors that really is going to blend with the artwork and make it stand out. Now I can use gray. Okay, I can use, sorry, I'm going to use gradient map. Okay, so I can use gray to make it stand out, or I can also go and then use gray over here, and then over there I'm going to use yellow. Okay, I realize yellow or orange really also stands out a lot. All right, you can even use these colors, vibrant colors. Okay, use vibrant colors to make it stand out, and then I'm going to send it to the client. When the client loves it, that is it. So that is how you use these mockups, guys. If you can use these mockups the way I showed you here, you can use any mockup out there. All right, so guys, without further delay, subscribe to this channel. There are more videos coming up. Don't want you to miss it. These mockups are going to be in the description for you. I love you all, guys. See you in the next video. Comment, please. Peace out.